Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says in E. coli, DNA is held with some proteins in a region called option A nucleus, option B nucleolus, option C nucleoid, option D nucleosome. So let us understand the question. It says in E. coli, DNA is held with some proteins in a region called. Okay, so what is that region where the DNA is held together? Now, if you talk about E. coli, what kind of organism is E. coli? E. coli is a prokaryote, right? It's a prokaryote. Whereas, higher organisms like human being, if you take, human is a eukaryote. It is human is an eukaryote. So, what do you mean by prokaryote? They have primitive nucleus. Primitive. Pro means primitive. They have primitive nucleus. Okay, whereas eukaryote means eukaryon. They contain eukaryon. Eu means true. They contain true nucleus. So when we say true nucleus, they contain membrane-bound nucleus. Membrane-bound nucleus. Okay, proper membrane-bound nucleus, membrane-bound organelles, etc. But whereas in case of bacteria, that is here they have given about E. coli. So all bacteria, in fact, they all are prokaryotic in nature. They have primitive nucleus. So if you have this bacterial cell, okay, so you can have the nucleus is, of course, it is not present, and the genetic material, or you can say the DNA, is present in the cytoplasm itself. Okay, so it is held by specific type of proteins. Proteins are, they're bound to the DNA and they keep that DNA together in one particular region within the cytoplasm. So you have the cytoplasm. Okay, so this region where the DNA is held together within the cytoplasm with the help of the protein, this is called as, what is this called as? This is not called as nucleus. This is called as nucleoid. What is it called as? It is called as nucleoid. Okay, so that is found only in what? Only in prokaryotes. Prokaryotes, because they have been differentiated with the from the others because of the presence of the primitive nucleus. So of course it is not nucleus, it is the nucleoid region where the genetic material is held together. Okay. Whereas in case of eukaryote, I told you that they have the true nucleus, membrane bound true nucleus. So let us see. Option A says nucleus. So do they have nucleus? No, they do not have nucleus. Option B says nucleolus. Nucleolus is a part of, with part of the genetic material which is present within the nucleus. It is present within the nucleus of eukaryotes. Of what? Of eukaryotes. Okay. Hence, it is ruled out. Nucleolus are not present in case of prokaryotes. Option C says nucleoid. So that is the correct answer. Option D says nucleosome. So what is nucleosome? Nucleosome is the structure of the chromatin network. It is a level of organization where it looks like a beads on the string. Okay, it looks like a beads on the string. Because of this structure that is called as nucleosome, which is formed of histone proteins. What is it called as? Or it is formed of histone proteins, which is surrounded by the DNA. Okay, surrounded by DNA. So this is again a characteristic of eukaryotic organism and not prokaryote. Hence, it is ruled out. So let us, try to conclude the answer. What is the answer? The answer is the question says in E. coli DNA is held with some proteins in a region called what? Nucleoid. So let us conclude. The option C is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.